Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural supplements at home. First, always prioritize your safety by researching ingredients thoroughly. Ensure you source only the highest quality, organic components for your creations. Before starting any new supplement routine, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice and ensure your homemade remedies are suitable for your individual needs. This step is vital for your well-being. To begin, select fresh, organic ingredients that align with your health goals. Common choices include turmeric for inflammation, ginger for digestion, or spirulina for nutrient density. You will need basic kitchen tools like a high-speed blender, a spice grinder, and accurate measuring spoons. For powders, a fine mesh sieve is helpful. Natural binders such as raw honey or organic coconut oil can improve consistency and palatability for your homemade creations. Let's explore some easy recipes. For an immune boost, combine the juice of 1 lemon, a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper. Blend well and strain for a potent shot. Another idea is a nutrient powder. Mix 1 tablespoon of spirulina, 1 tablespoon of chlorella, and 2 tablespoons of a berry powder. For relaxation, infuse 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in 8 ounces of hot water for 10 minutes. Proper storage is key to maintaining potency and safety. Store liquid supplements, like your immune shots, in airtight glass bottles in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days. Powdered blends should be kept in cool, dark places, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to ensure optimal freshness for several weeks. Always start with a small dosage and gradually increase as needed, paying close attention to your body's unique response.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.